Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We're loving this Pacific Northwest weather here today. I'm at Bish's RV and my name is Ashley. I'm going to be doing a quick tour for you on a recent arrival. This is a brand new Newmar. This is a 2023 Baystar 3014 floor plan, the most popular floor plan. It is just over 30 feet long, so perfect length, and you get so much all in one size here. Plenty of storage. You can even see down here, this one has the Truma AquaGo optional continuous hot water system. So really excited to see that. Love to show you the inside here. Now this is the Burma paint and interior decor. And this one has some really nice options on it. We actually have even a front drop down bunk. So your booth here is going to turn into a bed, your sofa is going to turn into a bed, and in addition to the rear bedroom, you have that drop-down bed. So this is a perfect one where you can take friends or family with you and be comfortable while you do it. Of course, this one being a Newmar, you have that classic Newmar construction, 3-inch walls, best insulation you're going to find, so you're going to be comfortable and quiet while driving down the road and staying in the park. As we come back here, you can see at 30 feet, you still have full kitchen, plenty of drawers for all your silverware. All these countertops give you plenty of counter space when you're not using the stove especially. And for this year, I love this, our Whirlpool convection oven microwaves now have an air fryer function. So you can air fry, you can grill, steam, simmer, roast, it's all on here. And so we've been starting to play with that a little bit here. Gives us the perfect excuse to bake some cookies. Further back here, you can see some of the other new designs that they put in the models right now. So some new fixtures, love what they're doing here. One of the biggest and most popular changes for the 2023 models is actually this color touchscreen. This is great, this is new, and everything's nice, easy to read, easy to understand, full controls with all of your lights, your heating, and of course your automatic generator start. So this one does have a queen bed. Now on Newmars it is a full-size residential 60 by 80 inch queen mattress. So if for any reason you don't like this mattress, you can put whatever mattress you would like on it. And underneath, of course, more storage. Now Newmar has more options than any other manufacturer, and in this particular one, the booth that was selected turns into a bed. Not all the booths do. Because this one does, this is your cushion for it. So you do have the extra cushion, but it affords you the best booth bed space. And of course you can see our beautiful, the new slide out fascias, the accent lighting, and plenty of wardrobe space. This is why this model is so popular. You just get so much in a 30-foot package. So I hope you liked this kind of quick tour today, and I would love to show you more of them. We have a lot of Newmars here. We take pride in being a high-level Newmar dealership, and I would love to speak with you. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You are more than welcome to call or text me directly at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.